New Year, new Amazon packages video about the Renaissance Fair. Let's jump into it. Nope, before we jump in, those are the packages. I'm going to open them. Let's go. Okay, I know we haven't started yet, but I'm really excited about this. It's a glass jar bottle that you can attach to your belt and then put water out of it, and it's like you're drinking from like a potion. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Look, okay. I love it. Amazing. What? Hi, I'm back wearing a plaid shirt to commemorate 1 year. New year, new plaid shirt. Okay, the Renaissance Fair I'm going to is in the winter, November 2nd. It's gonna be cold. All the clothes that I unboxed are going to be therefore warm clothes, specifically meant for the Renaissance Fair. I'm a college student, so I don't have a lot of money, so I try to buy clothes that I can then use in my daily life, mostly. So, okay, let's get started. Item number 1 is this Fanny Pack. I'm very excited about this. Last year when I went to the Renaissance Fair, I just had a belt and then I attached a little leather pouch to it, and that's where I carried my money. I just had my phone in my hand. That was kind of annoying because I didn't want to hold my phone the whole time. I got this Fanny Pack. It has 2 pockets. I love it. I think it's great. This one's big enough for my phone. The pockets also have a zipper. Double protection. Very cool. I like it. It's black. It looks cool. It looks really neat. Expensive. Keep in mind. Item number 2. This bottle. It's glass. That's unfortunate. It has a cork. And then this little leather strap that I can attach to my fanny pack. I'm very excited about that. I get water in here. So, very neat. Very neat. I'm really happy about it. I am worried about that it's glass, but since the Renaissance Fair is in the winter, it will be chilly. So I got some thermal underwear, pants, shirt. I get cold easily, so this is gonna be good. Last year I wore a dress because I went to the Renaissance Fair in the summer, and then so it was hot. This year I wanted to wear a shirt and a skirt, so I got this shirt, and this is it's so cute. So look at this lace design, these pearl buttons. I just think it's so nice, and I can wear it like in the real world, so that's very important, you know? I know. So I got this purple skirt. It's nice and long-ish. It goes below my knees. I really like the color. I think it's really fun. It feels alright. It's not really heavy, but I really like it. I really like the color specifically, and the length. I think it's really nice. I got these fingerless long gloves. I think they're really cute. The color is sort of a paler pink than what I thought it will be, but that's fine. They're really warm, and I like how you can have your fingers out, so you can do things. See? I really like them. And I got one of my favorite things are these earmuffs. How cute. I can't hear. But they're really big and puffy and pink. and I think they're so cute. It's not really Renaissance-y, but I will be cold, and I didn't want to wear hat. So, here we are. The last thing I got was my cloak. Now, I wanted to make my own cloak, as I've made my own flower crown last year, but that didn't happen because I've yet to learn how to sew. So I just bought this one, and I like it so far. The outside feels like warm, and then the inside has kind of a weird texture to it, but it's fine. It's pretty, like, it's not super heavy, but it's like durable. I like it. The only thing I don't like is the hood. I feel like I look a little silly wearing the hood, but I really like it. I like this color. You can't tell. It's like a dark blue. Maybe you can't tell. You can tell. It's like a dark blue. I didn't want to get a black cloak, so I got this. I like it. I'm excited. So yeah, that's it. Everything that I'm wearing will be linked down below. It's all on Amazon. Yeah, I also got a mug, like a tankard mug, and wooden utensils that I'm also going to attach to this belt. So we'll see how that goes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. I actually put on my corset that I got from the Renaissance Fair last year. So I matched that with it. I know the brown kind of clashes with the black, but I think it's fine. I think it's manageable. I'm only wearing 5 different colors. Mismatching queen, mismatching queen. Cool. Voiceover done.